For as low as 10,000 reservation fee, pwede nyo na pong i-reserve ang inyong slot na nagustuhan. Hello fellow investors, this is Jexo Santos of Cavite Properties, and narito po ako ngayon sa isa sa pinakamagandang investment na pwede nyo pong ma-avail or pwede nyo pong pag-investan ng inyong mga hard-earned money. This property po is located at Barangay Susugin, Alfonso, Cavite. One of the best and strategic location na pwede po kayo magtayo ng inyong sariling resort, farm lot, and investment property. Payable up to 24 months and no interest pa. Down payment po, you have options. Pwede pong 10% up to 30%, spot cash po. Then, ang kagandahan pa po dito, yung remaining balance po installment up to 24 months. Thank you so much po. Inquire na, message po kayo, and we will assist you. See you in our next video. God bless you all.